This is new. Fits in here pretty tight. I had to remove some plastic off the sides here to get it to fit into this hole. But I got in there. Turned the machine on. Oh, brand new. The new main jet is in there. Got this piece brand new and put it in. I didn't put it in yet because I didn't put it in the bolt yet because I was thinking of maybe short something through these electrical gadgets here. Anyway, that didn't matter because when I put the gas tank on and I turned and I ran it, it ran the same. Here's an example. Idle's pretty good. As soon as I throttle it, starts skipping one. Oops. So far we know it isn't the main jet. It wasn't this either. This is my old one. So this is still good. Notice I had to cut that to get it to fit properly into that little hole. Also had to cut my new one to get it to fit into that little hole. The second one is gonna have a trouble coming out of that hole. I'm gonna have to replace where this is going. This is going. So I can get another spark plug in there. But I don't think that's gonna work. Make it clear up. We'll wait for that later, till later. But for now, still got a problem. This air mixture is a quarter turn, just like I was instructed. So to close, quarter turn. That's it. That closes it. Then quarter turn to open for a good richer mixture. This one I just leave it alone. Let's see how many turns I have on it. But that's only a idle speed. I'm not having trouble with idle speed, so let's see how much I have it turned. 1/2. Oh, I have it 1/2. So that is turned 1/2 turn. Started some kind of a small leak in there. I don't know what that is. I guess it's coming from somewhere. I don't know where, but we'll find out later. First, let's get this thing to work right. Amazing. Here's my setting for my engine. That's what I got it on right now. It's a little bit loose, not really, but it's okay, not bad. It's good. Get a new belt. For now, that's what's happening. I think I might have stumbled into something. This unit that you sent me, the thing unit, I can't find one on my bike. This is one of them, but I don't think that's the same one. Here's another one. Another unit there. I don't know what that is. Here's another one here. I don't know what that is. Here's another one. Maybe similar in shape, but no, not even similar in shape. This is longer, this is shorter. There's a battery in here. So if this is our unit here, if this is our unit here that this replaces, well, the plug isn't the same. Maybe we better get a wiring harness and do this exactly right. I don't know what's happening now. Anyway, trying my best fit this thing in. So if this is our unit, what I'm trying to replace, we got a different setup here. So next thing is probably a harness, wiring harness.